Hey, all your morning. So since apparently video is the hot talk and hot topic, I'm going to do a video. And some of you, they should know that in this particular case, I wasn't going to keep my mouth shut. So, good friend Tamara Woodley, in a video, made a comment saying that St Vincent and the Grenadines doesn't have any colleges or universities. And let me say the whole thing that she said. Any colleges or universities, so once you finish high school, that means you're done. Done what? Are you ready to lambaste and grill the child over the fire of hell? And you have no clue what she's talking about. Let me tell you why you have no clue what she's talking about. First of all, let me tell you what she's talking about. She is talking about in respect to sports, to competitive sports. Once you finish secondary school, and not just competitive sports, but track and field, because that is the sport she's in, athletics. Once you finish high school, secondary school in St Vincent, right, there's no avenue for serious competitive athletics. Once you get out of school, that is it. You understand? Once you finish secondary school, that is it, and that is what she meant. So we have to go after colleges and universities in the States or wherever else to, one, further education, and two, continue your athletic career. She wasn't talking about the educational advances, right? But you who don't know nothing about sports, you don't care nothing about sports, right? Nothing at all. This is the only time all you know to talk about sports. This is the only time. Shafika Maloney, for the second time in this track season, has been awarded the Co-SEC Athlete of the Year. That is a great accomplishment, but you don't know that because you don't know nothing about sports. You ain't posting nothing about that. But Tamara go and talk the truth, but you don't understand it because she spoke in a concept and a context that is outside of your understanding up here because you don't care about sports. That now is what all you're going to take and lambaste the child with. She don't owe nobody an apology. So I'm calling you out. Vinci issues now, you need to take down that post that you have up there talking about Tamara owes the country an apology. She does not, because she is absolutely correct. You just didn't understand where she was coming from because you don't care about sports in this country.